Hey everyone, this is a super fast brownie recipe that you can make anytime you want to spoil yourself and your dear ones without spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Start by melting 200 grams of chocolate at 55% with 70 grams of butter on a water bath. Just keep the flame as low as possible. Let the bowl sit on a pot when you're done. Beat 2 eggs with a hand mixer just until they're foamy. Then add 100 grams of erythritol or any other natural sugar substitute you like. And now continue beating on high speed until the mixture doubles in volume. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna link to the one I prefer in the description below. Then add 70 grams of ricotta and mix it in. And now it's time to add the hot chocolate. To make sure the eggs don't curdle, add it in several additions. Once you added half of it, you can add the other half all at once. Mix it in and you'll notice you have a very thick mixture. Now you can switch to a spatula. Give it a few folds just to make sure that everything is perfectly homogeneous. And now you can add 50 grams of all-purpose flour with 2 grams of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Continue mixing with folding motions until the flour is completely incorporated. And then you can add 50 grams of chopped hazelnuts. Fold them in and you're ready to bake. I'm using a 20 centimeter glass baking dish that I just greased. But if you don't have one, use a regular brownie dish. Just make sure you grease it and line it with parchment. This brownie is sticky. Level the batter with your spatula and then bake it for 30 minutes at 160 Celsius. Give the brownie enough time to cool completely to room temperature before you cut it into squares. And all you need right now are your dear ones to share it with. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Until next time, Dessertophiles!